This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So open your console. So which EC2 instance you have? CentOS or Red Hat? I got one document for yesterday's one, guys. It seems this may resolve the issue. Okay, can you please open this? I just pinged in group chat. Hmm. I just pinged in the group chat, Google chat. Go to meeting chat. Can you please open that?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, log into your server.
1 second.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, is it the same server?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sure. Okay.
Content కూడా create చేసి.
Okay, great. Yeah, we'll see first this one. Okay, if we'll try this first. If not, immediately we'll go with CentOS. Okay.
అలాగే సార్. సరే
Yeah.
సార్.
Okay. Everybody mute yourself, guys.
Hi, Amma.
Everybody
Adi here.
mute yourself. Yeah. Hi, Adi.
Good morning. If you don't mind, can you repeat the yesterday session 5 minutes, just overview, so we can get the idea?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. So
Yeah, thank you.
simple. The topic is monitoring topic. Okay, na? So like in real time, guys. Like as an admin, okay, our responsibility is maintenance also. Okay, maintenance means we have to make sure that our infrastructure, our operating systems, our applications, they should be highly available. Okay, now means always available at any cost. Okay, so we always try to make sure that there is no further outages. Definitely will be there, but at least we'll try to avoid few things. Example, like if your website is running in one server, maybe in the back end there will be so many technologies we'll use, so number of servers will be there. Okay, now in your organization, in your data center. Okay, so like thousands of operating systems will be there, like thousands of EC2 instances running for different environments, like development, testing, production. Okay, and we have to make sure that those servers are always available. Okay, always available means what I can do. So guys, when what are the chances like your server might be down mean if storage is full. Okay, if storage is 100%, that time your server will be down. If CPU utilization cross 100%, your server will be down. You cannot log in. Customer cannot log in. Even memory also. Okay, na. So even server also might be down because of some kernel related issue or else software compatibility related issue. Okay, so you have thousands of servers in your project. So how can we like maybe monitor or observe which server is running, which server is out of storage, which server is out of memory, which server is out of CPU? Is it possible to check all these things manually every day? We don't know at what point of time we'll get these kind of issues. Yes or no? Definitely it is not possible. Let's take our laptop. Our laptop itself, our single laptop itself, we cannot, we don't know that when it will be down, when it will be crashed. Okay, now until unless you check your storage, CPU, memory, and log file, right? So every day we can't check it. Okay, because we have other works also. Then what about real time? We can't make it. We can't like check every day, every minute, every month, every week, right? Then how to maintain all these things? But that is mandatory. Monitoring is mandatory. Either you should do or someone else should do. Should monitor your servers. Make sure that they should not cross the threshold value. So we can avoid, right? Like 100% CPU utilization, because if you get alerts at 70%, 60%, definitely you can avoid. You can immediately jump in and check it. What is happening? Why it is crossing 70%? Okay, now. So you for critical servers, if you set alerts like that, so whenever the CPU alert is more than 70, whenever memory is crossing more than 70 percentage, whenever the storage is crossing 70 percentage utilization, or whenever the server is down, server is not reachable, our application is not reachable, immediately let me know. Like that, we can set up the alerts. Okay, there are some third party tools available in the market. You no need to do manually. Behalf of us, there are some third party tools. Okay, we call them as monitoring tools. So by using these monitoring tools, okay, we can monitor, we can set up the communication between this master server to those agents. Or like master is nothing but where you are installing the like this monitoring tool, that is called as master. And which servers you are going to monitor, those servers are called as agent machines. Okay, now. So we are going to set up the master and agent communication. Okay, now once you set up, now onwards, your responsibility, maintenance responsibility is taken care by this monitoring tool. There we can set up the alerts immediately. Doesn't matter, 1,000, not 1,000, even 10,000 servers also you have. Okay, so your master server will keep on verify the status of the application, status of the operating system, status of the utilization like CPU, memory, storage, even if any errors, hardware related or software related, inside your log file. So log file means, guys, every system has one activity file, means what is happening in the server, in the operating system. Those entries will be added to the log file. Okay, so that log file also you can monitor by using this monitoring tools. Very easy to set up. So compulsory in any organization, monitoring with tool will be there. Even if it is a big project, guys, if it is a even big project, mean there will be separate monitoring team, not you. There will be separate monitoring team will be there. That much important maintenance is. But if it is small project, like maybe you have 150, 200, 300. Okay, so maybe your client don't have enough budget to hire a separate team. So you may give that work also to you. Okay, not regularly, just one time work, guys. Okay, now, so to set up this monitoring tool. There are so many monitoring tools available in the market. So Nagios is one of the like a monitoring tool. So here my intention is to show how monitoring tool will be. Okay, so there sometimes some organization they will use their own developed tools also. Okay, na it depends on the requirement, but mostly like as per my knowledge. Okay, so there will be big projects only. So like there will be separate monitoring team, but you should know what is the purpose, how to set up at least. So that is the intention of this class. Okay, na? So I'm going to show you Nagios installation. So yesterday we started actually, but some reason like system has some problem, that OS. So we are trying to resolve. Okay, that is the like that is what happening till now since yesterday. So Adi, are you okay? Did you understand what I am doing now?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. So yesterday we faced this issue actually. Okay, some error we got it. So I'm trying to resolve it. It's related to system, guys. Yum repository, not related to what I can say. Nagios. Okay, so Yum repository not working. So let me try this. We'll quickly try this. If not, we'll go with same, right? First of all, before doing this, what is the output? I want to check. Okay, the output actually is not getting. Okay, what is saying? Okay, so this one they want to disable. This one only, right? SSL, CA search, user share, RHN arg trusted, SSL search. We'll try now. So guys, this symbol is nothing but not only in this file. Okay, na. So anywhere, if you add this symbol at the beginning of the alignment, this line is invalid now. I mean, like your configuration, it won't read this line at all. So basically now when I run yum command, so it is reading this file also. Okay, so it won't read this line now. Yes, single line comment. If you need other line also, there also you have to do a hash symbol. Okay, na? Just I'm following those steps, guys. Even I don't know, or like these are related to what I can say, yum repository. No, same issue. Okay. Same one. Okay, then maybe we'll do one thing. Let's remove all of them. Okay, let's move all these things. What I am doing, I will create a folder.
So what?
Wait,
So you comment don't be
wait, just a minute. Please give me the control. Don't
sir.
take the control. Nash. Please don't take
Okay,
the.
ఇది
నేను చెప్తా. Wait. Okay, so don't take the control, please. I'm just trying multiple things. I don't know whether those will work or not. Yeah. So what we do now? I'll tell you guys what I did. Just a minute. I'm just testing multiple things. I'm trying multiple things. Can you please copy and run this command?
it's ఇదిగా
Yes. Copy this command.
అది కాదు
Enter. Can you type IVH and this URL? Copy paste this. Yeah, I got it. I'll tell you guys what I'm trying. So actually, M command is to manage your repository, M repositories. So repository means some website you can call, guys. Okay, now from there only your package is getting downloaded, right? So what is the default folder for M repository means? Guys, the default repository is the default folder is m.repos.d. So whenever I run m command, okay, maybe I'll show you in paint session. First, let me try whether it is working or not. Not working. So what I tried, I will tell you. So can you please open a paint session? Maybe it is taking more time. We'll move on to CentOS. But before that, I will tell you what I tried. So guys, here this is your Linux operating system. Okay, now what is the issue I'm telling you and what I tried I'm telling you. This is your operating system and how your M repository works means how we are installing the packages, guys, by running like this M install and any application. This is what we are doing, right? It is similar to your mobile, guys. Example, in my mobile also I have Play Store. Example, this is your mobile. Okay, now if I do Play Store, if I go to Play Store, what will happen? Guys, there I can search my application and I can now. What will happen, guys, when I search and download in Play Store? Basically, there is a Google data center. In Google data center, the Google website is there for this packages, for this mobile application. Okay, now. So basically, Play Store already has that settings, that information where to connect. So whenever I go to Play Store application and I search for WhatsApp, what will happen? It will go to your Google data center, which is Google website. Okay, now that Google is maintaining one website, guys, to maintain this all mobile application. Okay, now Play Store website is there. So it will connect to that website. From there, it is downloading. Same concept, guys. There are so many third-party vendors. They are managing the websites, and they are managing the Linux packages, Linux application. Even Red Hat also has those website, the repository website. Why we are calling as repository mean, generally if you store any common things in one place, that is called as repository. Example, if I store my movies, I can say movie repository. If I store in one website songs, I can say songs repository. If I store my packages, I can call it as a package repository. So in the same way, Red Hat also has these websites, the package repositories. Okay, here under etc m.repos.d. So this is the folder name. In this folder name, we have files with .repo extension, right? Different files. So in this folder, in the .repo files, you have this website details. Okay, now. So whenever I run any command like this, m install and wget, what is happening? It will connect to m command. So same guys, Play Store related. Play Store ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది, Play Store కూడా ఏదో setting file ఉంటుంది. For Play Store also we have one setting file. So whenever I search for WhatsApp, it will go to that folder. It will check where to connect. It will connect to that Play Store. Here also the same thing happening. Whenever I run m, but it is command line instead of browser, instead of GUI, graphical screen. So in the background, it will connect to this folder. In this folder, it will check all the .repo files, and one by one, it will connect to the website. And if website is connected, it will download the wget package wherever it has. That is what, that is how m command will work. But somehow the configuration in this .repos.t, this repo configuration, maybe it might be updated by Red Hat. So that the image which we are using, right? Maybe that image is created some time back, and after that image created, maybe Red Hat might change that configuration. So that's the reason we are getting this kind of cannot find CA file, something like this. Okay, now. So we have to update these .repo files with the correct information. Even right now, I don't have the information. What information I have to change, because again it may take some time, so we don't have that much time to troubleshoot that. We tried maximum, but it's not something configuration related. That repository configuration is not working as expected. Okay, so that's the reason, like we are just going with CentOS. We'll go with CentOS. That is what I tried in this operating system, guys. Okay, now what I did, so I removed all the .repo files from this folder, and I installed one more repository. There is EPEL repository, guys, available in the market. That is also one of the third-party website repository. So I installed. That is what this command. Where is that? This command is that only. See, this is the website. From there, I install the RPM package. Okay, now if I run yum repo list, it is showing EPL repository available, but still wget not working. So wget is mandatory to proceed with our installation, but it's not working. That's the reason. Okay, so I tried maximum. We'll move on. Okay, now so see here all .repo files I moved from my m.repos. Because m command will read these files only, but it seems this configuration somewhere messed up, because the image which we used created some time back. Maybe after that Red Hat might change the configuration. So I need that configuration. We have to add those configuration or those information into these files to work with this. Then only the config yum command will work. So I removed everything and I freshly added EPEL repository. Okay, na? So, but after that also something wget command is not like downloading. Maybe we may have to add one more repository where wget is installed. Okay, or else you can try that. Okay, so like this. Install wget on Red Hat 7. It's 7 only, right? 7 or 8 we have taken. How to check OS version, guys? Do you know that? Cat etc
ETC OS
OS
release.
release. Yeah, it's a 7 only. Okay, it's 7 RHL 7.2. I don't know what is my port. This command not working. It's saying wget not there. Last try, we'll try this. Okay, I'm trying this. Copy link address. rpm-ivh. Wget not there, right? No. First we have to fix that package related. Then only it works, guys. Okay, we'll move on to CentOS. It takes some time actually. So leave it. Maybe you can try personally. Like as we don't have enough time, we're moving with CentOS, guys. Go ahead. Log into CentOS. Open CentOS. But you try, guys. You try on Red Hat also. Okay. So maybe that image we have taken, right? That image has some problem. That repository has some problem. It's not working. You can close this.
సార్ నేను తర్వాత చెక్ చేస్తాను ఒకసారి.
యా ఉండనివ్వండి, తర్వాత చెక్ చేయండి. ఆ ఎర్రర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ట్రై టు రిజాల్వ్.
అదే సార్ తర్వాత చెక్ చేస్తాను.
ఎస్
జస్ట్ వచ్చేది
always troubleshooting is good practice only, guys. Try to troubleshoot that issue definitely.
ఉంది సార్ అవుతుంది.
Yeah, quickly do it.
సార్
No, CentOS. For CentOS machine, CentOS is the username.
ఐఫోన్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
CentOS. CENTOS.
ఐఫోన్ ఉంటుందా? ఐఫోన్ ఉంటుందా?
No. Always use the same key so that you don't need to change every time. So I verified M is working or not. Yes, M is working here. Okay, then we'll move on. Can you please open the yesterday's document? We'll proceed further now. We are going to insta. So here you can see the like distributions, guys. Which distributions are compatible with this Nagios? Okay, hardware requirement also yesterday I showed you. So directly I am jumping to the actual command. Okay, so simple, only one script, guys. This is the script we are going to run. That's it. It will take care everything. Okay, so it will take care everything, guys. So they made very easy. Only one command. Okay, what is curl command, guys? Curl or wget command. What is that? By using that means we can download the things. Like generally in Windows, we'll download by just clicking on it, right? So you'll get download button, right? For Windows. Example, I want to download something. You'll get download button. Same in Linux, curl and wget are similar command. By using them, you can download, you can open the web pages from the command line. Okay, that is the advantage of these commands. So it downloaded and running that script. That is what this is doing. So from the internet, from this website, it downloaded the install.sh script, shell script, and it is running simultaneously. That is what this command meaning. So they created one shell script. So automatically everything will be set up. Close that other session.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Mute. Avinash, mute yourself. So guys, see everything it will take care. Okay, so there are different versions, guys. Again in Nagios, Nagios Core is there, Nagios XA. This is a paid version actually. I mean, we are going with trial only, but in real time paid. It has more advantages, more graphical interface and all. We'll see that. Let it complete it.
Hi, Amar. Vijay here. Normally, how much time it will take, Amar?
10 minutes, around 10 minutes.
Is it is it also depend on the internet connectivity or speed also, Amar, right?
Yes, you're right. So I'll give you document other version also, but it has more manual work. The other version. You can try that also, maybe in weekend, if possible. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay, our website is ready now. Our dashboard is ready. Let's go to. So guys, whenever you install any application, okay, now. So here first I will start the service, but for Nagios there is no service. Directly it is started. Now what next? From console I want to access that application. What should I do? Guys, remotely if I want to access the application, what should I do? Huh? Any application, I'm not talking about Nagios XA. Any application if I want to access from outside instead of from the server, what should I do? I have to open the port, guys. I have to open the port, right? I hope this same server, right? Can you please little scroll down? Which server is yours now? CentOS. Can you please check the IP address? Wait. So guys, how can I identify means here? So this IP is 172, right? 84 172. 172. Can you check? Come down little bit. Not this one. This is old. Can you please change it? Change the name. Change the name first. Otherwise, every time I have to check it. Change the name. Old. Make it as old. Red hat maybe. Underscore red hat. Underscore red hat. ఎప్పుడు అట్లా స్పేస్ రావద్దు. వై స్పేస్? రిమూవ్ ద స్పేస్. ఐ సెడ్ జస్ట్ రెడ్ హ్యాట్.
రెడ్ హ్యాట్ స్పేస్ రాలేదు సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఓల్డ్ కి వచ్చింది. ఇట్స్ అ సింగిల్ నేమ్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ డిస్క్రిప్షన్, రైట్? Yeah, now make it as CentOS. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now go to your security group. Yeah, change the name. Underscore said underscore CentOS. Save it. Now come down. So guys, for every operating system there is a firewall. So from AWS side, security group means it is a firewall. Okay, now for every application there are some certain ports. I have to open the ports. So guys, if you can, whoever not completed Linux, compulsory you should complete Linux topic, then only you can understand this. Okay, now which port I have to open means 80 number. Okay, so 80 number for my website and add rule. Yeah, as of now save it. Now can you copy, can you open your server? Yeah, so this is the URL, but here change your IP address. You have to give your public IP address. Copy this, paste it in Notepad or else browser directly. Yeah, no problem. Now go to your AWS console. So Avinash, do you have any network problem also?
Yeah, sir, 80-bit network, sir. I'm changing my Wi-Fi, sir, today or tomorrow. But ఈరోజు కానీ రేపు కానీ మాట్లాడుతుంది కొంచెం టైం సార్. గవర్నమెంట్ వర్క్ కదా సార్ ఇది.
Yeah, it's taking.
ఒక 2 days అయిపోతుంది. ప్రైవేట్ మార్కెట్.
Okay, I'll share my screen otherwise. So I opened the same website in my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Guys, the same IP address. Okay, I opened in my screen. Now guys, still, I'm sorry, Avinash, you have some speaker problem, Avinash. My voice అస్సలు అర్థం కాదు. Please change that or else mute yourself.
అది ఇంకేంత అవసరం అవుతుంది కదా.
మ్యూట్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. నువ్వేం మాట్లాడినా నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. నువ్వు మాట్లాడి వేస్ట్. ఆల్వేస్ పింగ్ చాట్, పింగ్ ఇన్ చాట్. ఓకే, సో ఆర్ ఎల్స్ చెక్ యువర్ స్పీకర్. యా, So guys, same URL I opened in my web browser. Okay, so I'm going with the trial version, guys. Sorry, free version. So it's a limited. Okay, so only for 7, like if you have only 7 hosts to monitor, then this will work. Okay, this is only for practice purpose. And next, okay, this is my username and password, guys. Save it somewhere. So okay, so and you can change your email address. Maybe generally, guys, there will be admin mail ID. Okay, not personal name like Amar. Okay, now admin mail ID separate will be there because it's constant. Maybe employee may go like from the project, guys. He may leave from the project. So we don't give employee mail IDs. It will be admin ID. So admin mail ID separate will be there in your project. But as of now, for time being, I'm giving my email only. But in real time, we don't give personal emails or maybe my email, my office email here. There will be admin email, separate admin. It will be constant, something with your project name or your group name. That email ID we will give. Okay, finish install. Okay, log into Nagios. So what is my username? Nagios admin, and the password is I copied. Yeah. So this is the dashboard for your Nagios, guys. Okay, now this is the dashboard. See here, as of now, my server, my Nagios server monitoring the same server itself, guys, by default. See where I installed Nagios, right? So that application is monitoring the same server itself. See, as of now, I haven't say that to monitor my server. So it is monitoring my server already. So green color means healthy. If something happened to your server, it will show red color like this, server down, or maybe these are services within the host like CPU, memory, storage. See what are the things it is monitoring? Current load, number of users. Okay, now so all these things like maybe tomorrow while adding the slave machine, while adding the agent machine, I will show all this stuff. How to select these, what are the things we can monitor. Okay, now so see local host means same host, guys. Okay, now naku neene. Generally, how do we refer ourselves, myself? Same concept, guys. Local host is nothing but నాకు నేనే ఏదన్నా రిఫర్ చేసుకుంటే దాన్ని లోకల్ హోస్ట్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ now Nagios is there in that Linux box, right? So it is monitoring the same server, so that is called as local host. When I refer myself from application or maybe server point of view, then that is called as local host. నాకు నేనే అని చెప్పడాన్ని లోకల్ హోస్ట్ అంటాం. అంటే నా సర్వర్ని నేను మానిటర్ చేస్తున్నా. The same where Nagios is installed, that is called as local host. See, if something any problem, here it is showing one critical. What is this? See, swap usage. Swap full line అని చెప్తా. What is swap? Swap is similar to RAM, guys. I hope everybody know what is RAM. Do you know what is RAM? RAM is mandatory, right, for any operating system. Swap is not mandatory. It is additional storage, guys. Inside a hard disk, you can create a RAM again. Hard disk use చేసుకొని కూడా RAM create చేయొచ్చు. That is called a swap. It won't work out as as efficient as RAM, but at least if RAM is full, swap can be useful. Okay, now some applications compulsory they will ask you swap. Okay, now by default there is no swap. That's the reason. See here, there is no swap. 0 MBA ఉంది అంటే ఏంటి అసలు లేదని అర్థం. So by default they're monitoring swap also. That's the reason it is showing critical. So I can delete that actually. Okay, now. So in tomorrow class, I will show you how to add the agent machine, how to monitor those agents. Okay, now. So here it will show you now onwards. Like number 2, number 5, number 10 means 10 nodes it is monitoring. Services means within the single host, multiple like CPU, memory, storage, number of open users, logged in users. Okay, so application status, service status, everything. Okay, now so now onwards you no need to look into your servers individually, guys. ఒక్కొక్కటి చెక్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. Now onwards if you set up this monitoring tool, here only in single dashboard I can find out everything. Now if you have 1000 servers, 1000 server information it will show you here. What is the current status of 1000 servers? So whenever you launch any new server, compulsory will add that server into this monitoring. So now onwards, like I will log into this console. Here only I will keep on verify the status. If any problem with any server, immediately that color will change into red color. So if I click on that, it will show you what is happening. Okay, now so which server it is. Immediately I will check that server. I will fix the issue. Okay, now even it crosses 60-70% also, immediately the red color, it will change the color into red color because we set up the threshold values. If it cross 70%, immediately cross it like that. Okay, na? So I hope you understood what is monitoring tool. So in tomorrow class we'll show you how to add the agent machine. Okay, na? Guys, okay, yeah, please keep this master ready without fail.
ఓకే
Yeah,
దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు లాగిన్ చేసి లాగిన్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా నేను క్రియేట్ చేయాలా?
ping me. Actually your voice is not audible, Avinash. Okay, yeah, okay then guys.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah.